Hello everyone, my name is Ravina and I'm a representative of Joy Visas Immigration Consultancy and you are watching our channel Joy Visas. In this video, I am sharing with you the details of Denmark's work permit. With this information, you can easily apply for a work permit in Denmark by yourself. Before that, I would like to request you to please subscribe to our channel. This will motivate us to create more detailed videos that will help you get the right and official information abroad where you can easily plan. You also can share our video with your friends and family who are looking to work abroad. So, friends, before talk about the Denmark work permit process, let's know about basic information about Denmark. Denmark is a Schengen country, means it is a part of the EU and it is also popular by name as the Kingdom of Denmark. The capital of Denmark is Copenhagen and the first official language is Danish and the second is German, and there are many other languages used there and English is also used. Christianity is more inhabited here and the neighboring country of Denmark is Germany, UK, Estonia, Netherlands, Poland, Norway and many other countries that you can visit. If you Google, you will know everything, and Danish krone is the currency of Denmark. Let us now see which job sectors are available there. Here comes the financial sector first, transport, manufacturing, communication, agriculture and many such sectors where you can get a good opportunity to work. Now I am going to tell you according to the update of 2021, which job vacancy has come out there, where you can easily file your application. So there comes first in the admin and commercial sector. Now in the administrator and commercial manager sector, the vacancy available here is that of account manager and sales manager. If you have experience of 2 to 3 years and have the same field-related education degree and your English level is also good, so you should apply for this. You can get the result from the Denmark employer. After this, the next sector is production and specialist service manager, so the job that comes in it is that of general manager and education manager. The next sector is natural and science engineering. So all types of engineers come in it, such as electrical engineer, mechanical engineer, civil engineer, interior designer, and technology. The sector after that is healthcare, which consists of medical doctors, hospital doctors, physiotherapists, and dentists. The sector after that is the education sector, where the researcher is needed. High school teachers are needed, primary school teachers are needed. Friends, here I have told the entire job sector and the vacancy in it, so it is at a high skilled level, for which you have to have high education. It is very important to have experience for at least 3 years and your English should also be very good, only then you will get a good result. Let us now see what jobs are available for those who do not have high education. So the job available for the skilled worker here is that he is a carpenter, welder, fitter, and electrician. After that, there is a vacancy of real estate agents, account managers, chefs, waiters. Many such jobs are available where you do not need high-level education, but in the field in which you are applying for your job, it is very important to have a related diploma or degree. It is necessary to have 2 to 3 years of experience. Your English must be good enough so that you do not face any problem in communicating there. In the next video, I am going to share the process of the work permit application and types of visas, and many more things. If you like this video, please like it and share it, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you have any queries related to Denmark,